So now I would like to invite the next important keynote presentation for this webinar. Uh, mm, so Dr. Ahmed Suparta, so he is from Indonesia, University of Indonesia, and some Department of Humanities. So he has, deep study of the indigenous religion, wisdom, cultural practices there in Jakarta and Bali. So now, I'm sorry, I got good detail about him, but due to the lack of time, I can't have more now. So over to you,
Namaskar.
Dr. Suparta.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Om Swastiastu. Excuse me. Allow
Om
me
Swastiastu.
to share some slide, just a few slides. So,
Is it working?
yes.
Okay.
Can I share?
Yeah,
Hello?
it's
Yeah.
okay now.
Yeah. For all of our guru and our professional speaker in this occasion, I would like to say Om Swastiastu, Om Ayuka Namastu, and Namaskar. Our topic, I would like to bring our topic, the reception of Bhagavad Gita in Javano Balinese tradition and its role in social harmony, how to take for better life in the future. Because of my my majority is in old Japanese, I read some manuscript. I would like to take some local wisdom and some religious speculation based on the manuscript. It is no problem. Yeah. Tonight, it is a sacred day for our Balinese, Japanese, and Nusantara Hindu community because today is Tumpak Uye. This is I don't know, a wisdom of our religion, a comparative calendar Saka and local calendar of Nusantara, which Wuku calendar. So the day in this day, Balinese people doing pray worship to the Siwa, to the god Siwa, as a personification of Sangyang Rare Angon. Sangyang Rare Angon is a emanation of Siwa as a Gopala. So various animal and pets in this day, all of the Balinese people doing ceremonial, special ceremonial for pets for day. This is a reflection. This is a reflection for the Trihitakarana concept that basically based on the how to Balinese people and Nusantara and Hindu Nusantara people construct the world harmony. World harmony not only in the paper, not only in the manuscript, but actually in our life, in our daily life. Jadi in Trihitakarana concept, the God, the human being, and the nature or all creature is exists in our coexistence in our life. This based on Rua Bineda as a coexistential oppositorum, duality and unity. Jadi, our life, we can find the duality and unity in our life. This is the basic concept of how the Hindu Balinese people practically, not just theoretically, realize and practice the world harmony. But now the tourism had radically broken our concept. Yeah, broken our concept. So many something unhope has happened in Bali. Jadi the broken of our environment like that. This is we would like to base on our topic Bhagavad Gita. In our Balinese people and Japanese people, Bhagavad Gita is too late introduced by the Indian Pekawan or by the Indian scholar. Based on maybe Sikh manuscript, the first manuscript that introduced Bhagavad Gita only in Bhisma Parva, edited by Jan Honda in 1936. But only 5 slokas of the 700 slokas. Just 5 slokas, just 50 slokas. And the second manuscript is about Handaran Bhagavad Gita by Kwe Tek Hwai. Adaptation in 1935. This text, this manuscript, based on Samson Bhagavad Gita. Kwe Tek Hwai tried to adaptate the Bhagavad Gita as a company text how to scatter the Injil. So Bhagavad Gita is part of the Messianism by the Christianity in Nusantara, in Javanese. So like that is this is the reality of my text, yeah. And the third text is Krishna Arjuna Bhawachara. Krishna Arjuna Bhawachara is a Javanese text in the metrum of Mochapat metrum. So this text usually used in paper wayang papit, ya, wayang papit for the dalang. How the dalang introducing some slokas of Bhagavad Gita in Javanese metrum between they do as dalang. But the fourth Bhagavad Gita adapted by Ngabehi Harjo without colophon, based on Sarat Mahabharata and Bhagavad Gita. This translation, edited by Soimun, this is very younger text, yeah. And the other text is about one Bhagavad Gita that used for used to promote the Muslim when Islamization of Java and Nusantara. So Bhagavad Gita deconstruct by the new theological, especially by the Muslim. There are many characters of Mahabharata like Bhagawan Drona, Sidrona, also Krishna, deconstruct by the new perspective of Islamic theological. This is the condition of Bhagavad Gita in Indonesia. And the last text, this is a modern comical Bhagavad Gita, edited in 2011. But beside the literacy data, we also have oral tradition, especially the Dharma Gita National Festival that organized by the Directorate General of Hindu Community and LVDG, like that. For the Balinese, this is the data about slokas in Bhisma Parva that still reading up to now, based on the Bhisma Parva text. But we would like to reading the different slokas if we compare with the Bhagavad Gita. This is the Adhyaya 2 of Bhagavad Gita and one slokas from the Bhisma Parva. Paritranaya sadunam winasaya duratmanam dharma samstapanartaya sambhavani yuge. this loka usually reading in Dharma Gita Festival. Paritranaya sadunam winasaya ca duratmanam Dharma samsta panartaya sambawani yuge yuge. When we discussing about world harmony, one of the important aspect as a religious speculation, we should we should fight with the Duskritam. If Duskritam exists in our society everywhere, but if Duskritam still exists in our society, I think it's very difficult to construct the world harmony. Maybe like that. So the God, or in this case, Krishna, emanate himself to be avatar. How to help the sadhu people or the dharmic people to construct the world harmony. The world harmony is a construction, not given. Richard Rorty and Bhartrihari has said like that. The world actually is a projection of our mind. Richard Rorty also said, truth not given, but truth is our effort of our life. How to construct the truth as a real life, and particularly in our daily life, like that. I don't know why Bhartrihari and Richard Rorty has a same argument about the world and the Maya, and the Prakriti, like that.
So, excuse me, Dr. Supartha, respecting
Enough.
your profound
Enough
wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita and Sanatana, I'm sorry, would you summarize, please? We are
Yeah.
making use of more time. Would you summarize, please?
This is a reflection of our argumentation. If we would like to construct the world harmony in our life, in our future life, we can look this picture when Krishna to be a ambassador as a Krishna Duta from the Kaurava, from the Pandawa. But if we don't have power, spiritual power, and enough for political diplomatic, I think it's very difficult to realize the worldly life. So the world harmony is part of cosmical consciousness, not only a theoretical in our paper. So the spiritual power, diplomatical, politic communication, and also have so many wisdom. This is maybe some aspect how to construct the world harmony and social harmony. And manuscript tradition and literary tradition as a role model, how to mix balance of our world, mix balance of our daily life by aesthetical way, by reading, by dancing, by singing, some of wisdom, some of very important values of our manuscript as religious speculation, as knowledge, metaphysical values, and also as equilibrium concept, like the Trihitakarana, maybe like that. So if we would like to construct the world harmony, for the young generation, don't stop doing, don't stop reading, learning, and don't stop thinking for better life. And the last, don't stop loving to the creature, to the nature, to the environment, and don't stop loving as a human being each other based on the wisdom and transcendental love like that. But our life just a moment, just like in Yunani says, memento mori. Yeah, memento mori. We all will
So
dead.
thank you, Dr. Suparta. We
Yeah.
are already half an hour away, you know.
Om
Thank you.
Sandy. Yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
Hare
fly.
Krishna.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah,
I
thank you
think
for your uh,
it's need a very huge time to for Dr. Suparta. It
yeah,
is very insight, donation history in Japanese history. Very
really,
insightful.
really. So we are very sorry for not having enough time for all of the speakers. That's it. Previously, I had shared the schedule, just specifying maximum 10 minutes because, okay, anyway.